Hi, my name is Zahib Nabil on your favorite channel, The Chef Way. Today we'll talk about one of the famous delicacies of Punjab and northern India, known as Sarson ka Saag, or as we say in Punjabi, Sarson da Saag. Nothing is more deliciously aromatic than mother's love. A close second to it is perhaps the smell of the land, more uniquely Mera or Tera Gaon, our village, the one we all originate from. And thirdly, it's our food. Nothing is more quintessentially Punjabi than Sarson ka Saag and Makki ki Roti. It is an earthy, hearty food, abundant in flavor, nutrients and color, much like the land and people it belongs to. Picture fields of golden yellow flowers on the foothills of the magnificent Himalayas, the region Sarson has been indigenous to for more than 5 millenniums. Sarson is a winter and spring fare, and its seasonal abundance in Punjab on both sides of Wagah make it a Punjabi favorite for the rustics and urbanites alike. It tastes really delicious with Makki ki Roti, Indian maize flat bread and dollops of fresh butter, unprocessed white butter, or best with the pure desi ghee, clarified butter. Sarson ka Saag literally translates to leafy vegetable preparation of mustard. The word sarson is derived from Sanskrit word sarsapa, the Sanskrit word for mustard, and the word saag is derived from another Sanskrit word saka, meaning greens or leafy vegetable. Usually in winter months, sarson ka saag is the most beloved dish to the rural Punjab. Sometimes even reddish greens, bites of radish, even turnips is added to the dish, and this mellows the pungency of mustard. Locally, corn flour is available only in the winter months. Rotis made with the flour of freshly harvested yellow corn are delicious. A dollop of unsalted white butter is mandatory on the roti. A half dollop doesn't hurt in the saag as well. In fact, I will say that it's religiously important. There's a time for a low-fat diet, but winter is not that in Punjab. You will find Makki ki Roti and Sarson ka Saag being served as a breakfast at every other household. The duo makes a heavy breakfast as well as amazing and tasty lunch. It is a special treat for the people living in the northern parts of India, where wheat is one of the staple foods. Talking about Sarson ka Saag, the lip-smacking side dish is a reservoir of nutrients as well, because it's prepared with the combination of mustard greens, spinach and batua, which is white goose food. 3 varieties of green leafy veggies that are rich in vitamin A. The recipe also satisfies the taste buds since it is finally topped with a block of fresh homemade butter. Mustard greens are mostly confined to north, just as the corn. The fascinating mustard fields in the north with the hues of yellow and greens are quite amazing to see. It's really one of the most beautiful scenes to watch. Mustard green, sarson and Makki ki Roti makes a lovable evergreen duo. You really need to taste it to know it. It's served by many dhabas, the roadside truck addas, restaurants as well in Punjab. Sarson ka Saag with Makki ki Roti is a passion of Punjab on a platter, bringing out their culinary delights. Traditionally, the real Sarson ka Saag is cooked only with sans masala, just a dash of salt and ginger mixed in with the greens. The mustard greens, green chili, spinach, batur, methi, and the real cooks like our mothers and grandmothers who follow the age-old family recipe without the modern touch which suits our contemporary lifestyle, still cook it in the same traditional way. It is supposed to be cooked slowly, which we call a slow cooked, and hand-stirred in its own water until it reached the desired edible creaminess of freshly churned butter, and then laden with fried onions and topped with farm fresh butter and devoured for simple godness. Mustard greens are an excellent source of many vitamins, including vitamin K, vitamin A in the form of beta-carotene, vitamin C, folate, vitamin E. They are also an excellent source of minerals like manganese, calcium, as well as dietary fibers. They are also a very good source of potassium, vitamin B6, protein, coppers, phosphorus, iron, vitamin B2 and magnesium. We'll talk about some other Desi delight soon. Take care till then. Allah Hafiz.